Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to learn about these flat twists, and it's a very detailed tutorial. So if you don't know how to do them and adding the extension, just stay with us. And to begin, we've already parted our hair into the several sections that we're going to achieve the style. All right, so you can be creative and do whichever style you feel like. So today I'm going to do this one, and at the front I'm going to do some twist braids, and then at the back I'm going to do the flat twist lines. All right, so you'll just see the results after we are done and how the style is gonna look like. So you just stay with us, and if you're new to this channel, guys, just click on that subscribe button so that you keep learning together. All right, so I'm just gonna go straight to the tutorial without wasting much time. So we're going to do our partings. Okay, we're going to do our line first. You do your partings and make sure they're neat. And guys, in this video I didn't use any hair gel or didn't use any wax because the client had already oiled her hair, which was really kind of, the hair was not really mixing well with the wax that I was using. So I decided I'm going to just plait the hair like that, and she had already washed it that day, so I couldn't even wash it again. Okay, so to begin, we are going to start with separating a little hair at the front. That is going to begin our flat twist. Guys, I start with the natural hair first because we have to protect the hairline, and I keep on insisting on that. You have to protect the hairline, so I just started with plain hair. We do not want to pull her hairline out. And then, now before I start explaining, guys, when you're doing the twist, make sure when one hand is twisting in the front direction like I'm doing now, the other one will twist in the back direction, like they are going opposite ways. That's all you need to know about this flat twist, and that's it. One hand, when it's twisting going to the front, the other one will be twisting going to the back. It doesn't matter which hand, as long as it's working for you. So you'll notice, like here, my right hand is twisting going to the back, see, back, and the other one going to the front, the left one. Then now you alternate, and here I'll show you the thumb, the role it plays, and I'll show you clearly as I'm going towards the end. Okay, so that is number one thing you need to know. And then now, after you've twisted the front, back, they're going in opposite directions. So now you're going to alternate them and then add your hair, plain natural hair, and then we're going to add the hair piece. Okay, so here you have to make sure, I'm going to do it very slowly for you to understand. You have to make sure that the twist is not unraveling when you're going to do the alternating, and then continuing with the adding of natural hair and adding of the hairpiece. You have to make sure that it stays intact. That is why I keep retwisting it. But if you do it for a while and you get perfect at it, it's going to be easy for your hand to hold it in and get a good grip. I hope you understood up to there. So here you notice I add natural hair first and make sure the twist is intact. I add the natural hair in, twist it a little bit, then adding the extension under my thumb, the thumb that is holding. So guys, when you're holding it, make sure you have a firm grip because you don't want everything to unravel again. When the twist unravels, it's going to be hectic to redo it again. So you have to make sure you have a firm grip when you're going to, one hand is busy adding the extension. Of course, if it was plain hair, it is much easier, but adding the extension, of course, one hand has to be involved in the adding and the other one has to hold everything in. So let's continue. Already you see our flat twist is already forming. So let me repeat the process. Okay, let me repeat the process for you. See, after I've added the extension, I have to make sure the twist is still intact, and then now we do the alternate, like we exchange them. And here our thumb, see the roll is spraying, holding it and supporting one strand as the exchange is going on. So it is going to help you, especially as a beginner, and if you don't know how to do this. And of course, for you to do this flat twist, you have to be good at twists. So don't just start from there. If you don't know how to do the twist, just make sure you've tried somewhere just a little bit, then you can come and do the flat twists, okay, so that you know how the twisting goes. All right, so see how my thumb is playing a big role when it comes to exchanging these two strands. Just see it's supporting, and then the other one goes below it, and then now we are adding. So the strand that is going to be added, the hairpiece, the strand that is going to be added on the hairpiece is the one that is going to go below, and the other one on the upper side that is being supported by the thumb. All right, hope you get it. Just watch carefully. So here in this video I went very slowly. I was doing it very slowly for you guys to understand it well, because this is an art and it really needs you to pay attention to get the details. All right, so up to there you see I'm twisting on the back side, and the other one I'll twist going to the front, and then do the exchange. See, going to the front, make sure you twist the opposite direction. If you twist both of them in one direction, it's going to not give you the flat twist. It's going to unravel very fast, like immediately it's going to unravel. So keep that in mind. That is the most important thing here. So the rest, just adding the hairpiece, is very easy and simple. So as long as you know how to alternate these ones and then how to twist them, and that's it, guys. But if you have any questions, if you've not understood anything, and I found it easier to add the hair first before adding the hairpiece. But if adding the hairpiece first before adding the hair, the natural hair works for you, then that's fine. But I found this to be very easy because we get to keep the natural hair in position very easily. So after adding the hair, for me, I make sure it's in position, then that's when I go ahead and add my hairpiece. So when you feel like the hairpiece is enough, then you can go ahead and just complete it like that way. So guys, if you're a beginner, you make sure that the twist is intact. Don't be in a hurry to do this thing. Just make sure the piece is intact. Right, the twists. And when you're starting out, it's going to be a bit it's not going to be that easy. I can't promise you that. You need to practice. First, start practicing on the natural hair. Like, it's easy, just follow the steps I've given you. Just start practicing on the natural hair, and then you can now go ahead and start using the hairpiece. All right, and for this one, I think a rough hairpiece works really well. Like here, I'm using a fluffy kinky hair. I've not used the normal braid, because especially if you're starting out getting to learn it, if you use the normal braid, it's going to be a bit slidey and everything is going to be out of place easily. So try to use something that's a bit rough, all right, so that you can get that firm grip, that strong grip. Okay, so here I'm almost done with the flat twist. So at the end, I'm just going to do the normal twist and I'm done with it. So yeah, adding my final hairpiece, then we'll be done. And maybe if you find that your hairpiece, or you want it to be long at the end, you can go ahead and add. It's not that hard, it's very easy. So you can just add something. Just check how I'm adding it. You just put it below, and then you continue twisting as usual. All right, so here I'm just doing now the back part. I'm done with the front part. Then next I'll do the twist braids, and then my style will be almost done. And I repeat, you can be creative, do whatever style that works for you. Try different styles. Of course, after you've perfected the flat twist, you can try different styles, any style that works for you guys. So here you can see at the front part, I'm done with the front braids. So now I'm going to curl them a little bit, because if I leave them straight, it's not going to look that nice according to my style, the style that I'm going to do. Okay, you can do what works for you. So here I've already dipped them in hot water. We've done the back side, how everything is. So now next we're going to do the styling. So here I'm just going to match the back part together as a line, or you can do a big twist. And this is the final look, guys. So here the front part, I just style them in my own way. You can be creative, guys. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope this video really helped you all, and please remember to subscribe and turn on the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can like this video, just give it a thumbs up if it really helped you, and remember to share with your friends. Comment, ask anything in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.